one thing, for example, like my visa, I'm supposed to be with the student visa, you get the right to work 30 hours additional a week. And my visa says that I'm not permitted to work. So this has been an ongoing struggle since my time here. It's my second year, going to a bunch of different appointments, being told that yes, I have the right to work, but then nobody kind of really knowing how to fix it, or people saying different things or sending me to different people. It's a year two, and by the time that I get the necessary appointments to try to fix it, my second contract is over. So I guess knowing that, like, on paper, maybe sometimes things look really pretty, and then in practice, they're like, genuinely, I found it to be impossible to get this card fixed. I've really tried everything. So